you stand, and 18 on hand 2. Stand, thank you. Let's open hidden cards. It's 12. Okay, good. And too many. Congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Well done. Thank you. Now it's time to place your bets. Loading my special compliments to you with your wonderful split. Just mark a few seconds to make your choice. No more bets. I wish you good luck. Okay, 4 of spades on dealer's hand, and LD, you got 17 stand, Ludi 7. Let's hit good luck. It's 16 now. Next decision, please. Stand and 14 and sit 5. On sit 7, apologies. So your choice. Stand, thank you. Let's open hidden card. So 15 and 17. LD selling push with you. Thank you, round is over. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to place your bets. Love your man, welcome. New betting time, ladies and gentlemen. LAG, welcome as well. Apologies. Okay, Queen of Clubs and dealer's hand. LD selling. You got 11. What would like to do? Let's hit. It's 18. Stand, Ludi. Card for you. Soft 19. Your next choice, please. Stand, let's open hidden cards. It's 17. My gumbos to the winners, congratulations, well done. And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to place your bets. Good luck. Mama, welcome. No more bets, good luck. Ten of spades on dealer's hand. Mama, you got 12 on your hands. Please make your choice. Let's hit. Good luck to you. Now it's 20. Please make your next decision. Stand, LD silent, perfect blackjack. Well done. Lady stand, let's open hidden card. Also blackjack, LD silent, push with you. Round is over. Thank you and welcome to place your bets, ladies and gentlemen.